This 2025 Storyteller Overland GXV Hilt is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Storyteller Overland is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 120 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features loft. This 2025 Storyteller Overland GXV Hilt is built on a Ram 5500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.